Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best cordless impact wrench that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the DEWALT 20-volt cordless impact wrench. The words spanner and wrench mean different things depending on where you're from. Whilst the former is commonly used outside North America, USA, both words denote the same meaning, a tool that is used for adding grip and providing mechanical advantage when turning bolts, nuts, and other forms of rotary fasteners in order to unloosen them. But that was several decades ago, when regular mail was still a thing and electric cars were nothing but a dream. Up next is the Milwaukee 276322 M18 half-inch wrench. Milwaukee is one of the brands that can match DEWALT note for note and even outperform in my opinion. Sometimes their products even end up being arguably superior. Take the case of the 276322 M18 impact wrench. It can produce about twice the torque to take care of the most stubborn nuts without draining the battery too fast. In fact, it boasts of twice the average runtime in this category. It's certainly a bit pricier but worth the long-term investment. Third up is the Ingersoll round half-inch high torque impact. This Ingersoll kit has everything you need including the tool, the charger, and 2 batteries for quick swaps. It is a bit pricey at over $400, but you do get a very capable machine for the money. It also features one of the highest torques on a cordless wrench. This Ingersoll round impact ratchet will not let you down. Its impressive torque is more than enough to remove the most stubborn lugs from rust wheels in no time. You will not have to pop your veins or risk injuring your wrist from the effort. Moving along, here we have the Porter Cable half-inch cordless impact wrench. Impact wrenches can make construction and automotive jobs a lot easier. If you are planning to get one, then consider the PCC740LA cordless kit from Porter Cable. The brand enjoys passionate support from fans who appreciate excellent design, durability, and performance. They also enjoy the backing of parent company Stanley Black & Decker, which has an enviable reputation in the industry. This particular kit is a great addition to your set if you are already sold on the product line. It should be easy to swap out batteries and operate the controls. To end with, here we have the DEWALT 20-volt. The versatile DEWALT 20-volt max LII and 3/8 inch impact wrench DCF 883M2 is a compact, lightweight and yet quite powerful cordless device. It is designed with the needs of the professional in mind. It is durable and this makes it capable of handling the rigors of professional usage. It uses a tremendously powerful Li-ion battery pack that offers 33% more power than the majority of batteries. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.